Welcome to another trip report. The flight Aegean Airlines A3625, from Amsterdam to Athens. Flight time, 2 hours 41 minutes.
Of our aircraft, we kindly ask you to keep your seatbelt unfastened. All electronic devices and mobile phones must remain switched off.
Απογείωση και προσγείωση. Μικρότερες ηλεκτρονικές συσκευές μπορούν να τοποθετηθούν στη θήκη μπροστά από το κάθισμά σας. Dear passengers, for your safety, your comfort, and to help us all depart on time, please place your larger bags in the overhead bins. Smaller bags and heavy or fragile items with a light blue label can be placed under the seat in front of you, unless you are seated in an emergency exit row. Now's the time to check that your mobile phone and all electronic devices are either switched to flight mode or switched off. Larger electronic devices like laptops must be put away securely whilst we are taxiing and during takeoff and landing. Smaller electronic devices can be placed in the seat pocket in front of you.
Ο καιρός διαδρομής έτριος στο μεγαλύτερο μέρος, ελαφρές αναταράξεις κατά περίοδους αναμένονται. Ο καιρός των Αθηνών επίσης έτριος, μαρές νεφώσεις, βορειοανατολική άνεμη και θερμοκρασία εδάφους στους 29 βαθμούς Κελσίου. Θα είμαστε και πάλι μαζί κατά διάρκεια της προσέγγισής μας στα αεροδρόμια των Αθηνών για τα τελευταία μετεωρολογικά στοιχεία στην περιοχή. Μέχρι τότε ευχόμαστε μια καλή πτήση. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. From Flight Deck, this is your captain. My name is Yorgana Savakelos. On behalf of Aegean and of course the whole crew, I would like to welcome you boarding flight to Athens. Still on the loading procedures of the aircraft, according to latest information from ground personnel and also from air traffic control services as well. We should be ready to start our engines in the next 10 minutes from now. After our takeoff, first flight time, 2 hours and 45 minutes. The weather along our route mostly will be fair. Some light turbulence occasionally expected. The weather at destination Athens right now is reported fair with some few clouds, some strong northeasterly winds, latest ground temperature 29 degrees Celsius heat. We'll be with you again during our approach phase in Athens Venizelos Airport for latest meteorological conditions in the area. Until then, thank you very much. Enjoy your flight. είμαστε έτοιμοι για την εκκίνηση των κινητήρων. Ζητούμε την κατανόησή σας και την υπομονή σας. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is your captain according to air traffic control latest information due to heavy congested traffic at Amsterdam Airport. We shall be ready to start the runway in the next 4 minutes from now. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.
Ήθελα να σας καλωσορίσω στη πτήση 625 της Aegean μέλους της Airlines με προορισμό την Αθήνα. Παρακαλούμε να θέσετε τώρα τις ζώνες ασφαλείας. Εκ μέρους όλου του πληρώματος, σας εύχομαι ένα ευχάριστο ταξίδι μαζί μας. Dear passengers, good afternoon. My name is Victoria Bufali, a passenger member of the cabin crew. I would like to welcome you aboard flight number 625 of the Aegean Airlines member to Athens. Please fasten your seatbelt buckles at the time. On behalf of the whole crew today, I wish you a pleasant journey with us.
Σε περίπτωση απώλειας της πίεσης της καμπίνας, μάσκες οξυγόνου θα πέσουν αυτόματα από τη θήκη πάνω από το κάθισμά σας. Τραβήξτε τη μάσκα προς το μέρος σας, τοποθετήστε την στο στόμα και τη μύτη και συνεχίστε να αναπνέετε κανονικά. Κατόπιν εφαρμόστε τη μάσκα στα παιδιά που ταξιδεύουν μαζί σας. If you leave the aircraft through an emergency window exit, inflate the jacket only when you are outside. If necessary, you can top up the air through the tube. Each jacket has a lamp which lights up in the water and a whistle. We also carry life jackets for infants. There are 10 emergency exits on this Airbus A321neo, 5 on each side of the aircraft. Please take a moment to locate the nearest exit, which may be behind you. If you are instructed to leave the aircraft urgently, illuminated strips on the floor will guide you to the nearest exit. If this is necessary, you must leave all your belongings behind. At your seat, you will find a safety on board card explaining these safety instructions. We would like to remind you that all Aegean flights are non-smoking.
ρύθμοι για την απογείωση. Βεβαιωθείτε ότι η ζώνη ασφαλείας είναι σφιχτά δεμένη, η πλάτη του καθίσματός σας είναι σε όρθια θέση και το τραπεζάκι σας κλειστό. Όλες οι φορητές ηλεκτρονικές συσκευές πρέπει να παραμείνουν απενεργοποιημένες ή να βρίσκονται σε λειτουργία επίσης μέχρι την προσγείωση. Σας ευχαριστούμε. When ordered for takeoff, please make sure your responsibility, your seat is upright and your table is folded away. All portable phone devices must remain in flight mode or switched off until the aircraft has landed. Thank you.
Crew prepare for departure.
Επίσης δεν επιτρέπεται. fasten your seatbelt sign while seated. When the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off, please be careful when opening the bins above your seat. Objects may have rope during the flight and might fall out. We would also like to remind you that smoking is not allowed at any stage of the flight and is considered an unlawful action. Vaping is also not allowed.
Gentlemen, again from Flight this is your Captain Nasser now flying over Atlantic space, cruising at 35,000 feet, 10,700 meters. With southerly heading, flying now over the city of Larissa with a southerly heading. We're proceeding to Athens. Latest weather for our destination, also fair weather, few clouds, some northeasterly winds. Latest ground temperature 30 degrees Celsius here. Estimated land at Venezuela Circle of Athens the next 35 minutes from now. Once more, I would like to thank you very much choosing Aegean for your trip. We wish you a pleasant afternoon and pleasant stay in Athens. Thank you very much.
Δώστε ιδιαίτερη προσοχή στην κάρτα με τις οδηγίες ασφαλείας, η οποία βρίσκεται στην οίκη μπροστά από το κάθισμά σας. Εάν σας δοθεί οδηγία να εγκαταλείψετε το αεροσκάφος, θα πρέπει να αφήσετε όλα τα προσωπικά σας είδη. Εάν συνεχίσετε το ταξίδι σας με με άλλη 301 ώρας, ο Connection Ambassador θα σας περιμένει για να σας δώσει περαιτέρω πληροφορίες για την έξοδο αναχώρησης και να διευκολύνει την μετεπιβίβασή σας. Dear passengers who are approaching Athens Airport for landing, please make sure you carry on locked electronic devices and safely put away. Your seat must be in the upright position, your seatbelt fastened and your baby folded away. All electronic devices must be in flight mode or switched off until the aircraft has landed. Please have a look at the safety on board guard located before you travel. Explain safety instructions. In the unlikely event that we ask you to evacuate the aircraft personally, you must leave all your belongings behind. If you're continuing your trip on another flight within the next hour, the connection ambassador will be waiting for you on arrival to tell you about the departure gate date of your next flight.
This time, it's the flight to Athens on Friday morning, July 11, 2025. Aegean Airlines A3625, flight operated by Aegean Airlines, plane registration, SX-NAE Airbus A321neo, in business class with free Wi-Fi, from Amsterdam, gate B17, to Athens, flight time, 2 hours 41 minutes, scheduled departure time, 12:05 a.m., actual departure time, 12:35 p.m., scheduled time of arrival, 4:20 p.m., landed, 4:16 p.m. It is one of the few European airlines to still offer hot meals in business class and free hot meals in economy class.
ακρόασή σας, παρακαλούμε να ανοίξετε τα δουλάπια με προσοχή για να πέσουν αντικείμενα και ελέγξτε τις τσέπες των τερισμάτων για ξεχασμένα είδη.